Hello and welcome back to a Pixify tutorial. Today we will be designing thank you cards in Canva using our digital paper backgrounds. We will be using our new psychedelic patterns. I will link below in the description where you can get these patterns yourself. If you would like to follow along, we will be using the canvas size 7 by 5 inches and the fonts Laura and Poppins. Before we get started, you'll need to upload the paper backgrounds using the Upload Media button. I have already pre-uploaded the 4 different digital paper sets. Firstly, let's place the image down. If you hold the image on the edge of the border, it will automatically fill the entire canvas. Now, let's add the text. I think it looks best to keep the front of the card very simple. Next, let's create the back of the card. I like to add an extra thank you message, a discount code to get customers returning to the shop, and also my social media handles. And here is your final design. Now, let's design a second thank you card. For this card, I've chosen to put a blank space in the front using a white arch. Depending on your business, you might want to use this space for a handwritten personalised message. I will just duplicate the back of the card and change the background simply by dragging an image over the border to fill it. As you can see, this psychedelic set comes with 12 different backgrounds. Have a play around with the different backgrounds until you find one you like. And there you have it. We really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As mentioned, I will link in the description below where you can get this digital paper set. I'll also link our shop in the description below if you would like to check out our other digital sets. Our store has over 1,000 clip arts and digital papers available. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and we can't wait to see you in our next one.